One of our focuses and really what we're looking to do in collision repair is really to disrupt the collision repair industry. How we do that is focusing on, people, process, and passion, our three pillars in our organization.
And there's a reason that people is first. Every employee has a story and a career path with us.
We're all very tight, and there's no bickering. Everybody's on the same exact page.
Being a people-first organization, we want to make sure we're taking care of our team on a daily basis, but it's about us. We're here to support our team and make sure that we can help them get to the next level in the organization.
VIVE makes my job easier by listening to me. If I ask for something, they give it. If I have a question, they'll get an answer.
All the tools they provide me with. Anything new that comes out, they provide us with it. They send us to classes.
What makes VIVE and VIVE's processes different than anything else in the industry is we really and truly engage our team to make sure that what we're doing makes sense. We don't want to do things just to do them.
It's a team effort. Everything that we do there is kind of team-oriented in the process of what we do. I've been doing it a long time, and VIVE's very up on everything that's new right now.
One of our other pillars is passion. We want people who have a passion for the industry, technicians that have a passion for producing quality work, customer service representatives that have a passion for people.
Passion is really what brings our organization to the next level. When we talk to our team, to them it's not really a job. This is something that they love to do. You can't come in here and do the work that we do on a daily basis without really loving what you do. If you come in and look at this as a job, we're probably not the organization you want to work with. But if you love what you do, if you want to change the industry, this is the place you want to work, VIVE Collision.
If you're looking for a company that is really trying to take this industry into the future and you want sustainability in your career and you want to grow, these are all the things that VIVE really focuses on.
From start to finish, no matter what. If it's something you got to put on a car you're not sure about, or the process you might have worked somewhere else differently, we'll help you with that.